Good evening, guests. Good evening, members, and good evening, Prithvi Raj in particular. Prithvi in particular. So that's one of the things which I noticed is quite for me. It's a bit tough to remember the name. But anyway, so let's get started. So for me, the highlight of your speech was the way you walked on stage with a smile, and you just declared to the entire world that I'm immensely confident to be here, and I love being here. Okay, so that not just makes other people want to look at you, but it also makes you feel like being here rather than trying to run away from it. So that was done brilliantly. Did you meet the objectives? So begin speaking before an audience. Yes, you have done it. Discover speaking skills. So now I will go into now I will go into details on what sort of speaking skills you already have and where you need to work upon. For me, the icing on the cake was when you said that it's not just a speech, it is a personal story. Relax and hear me out. That coupled with the fact that you use questions. So, right, that these are very simple techniques and tips to get back the attention of the audience. And they are not difficult at all. The second thing which I loved about your speech was you had very good usage of voice. So your voice was very clear. So I can bet that the person, so our president sitting right at the end of the table could hear you, which is an excellent thing to do. And you had very good body language in the sense you use your hands a lot, you use the stage quite well. So that was, to me, was wow, is this like is Project One or what? You have, so for me, while I was writing down what are the things needed in a Project One, you introduce your parents, you spoke a bit about your siblings, your goals, education, your beliefs. But for me, a Project One and every speech should have a remember me factor. It's like, how do I remember you? Who's this guy? So for me, you're the guy with a wonderful smile. Okay, so make sure you keep that asset intact and you keep it growing. Few points of improvement. You could have given a bit of personal touch to your family members. So for instance, you don't have to tell everything about them. But okay, the way my dad's belly blows out every time he eats dinner is quite funny. That's it. Just one small fact that could make it much more personal. It's natural to be a bit nervous, but use more pauses. Your content is excellent, but if you have more pauses, that way it will be easy for the audience to understand you. And please, this is for everyone, avoid using slang words like hell, damn and etc., which is fine for your first attempt. Final thoughts? Who was your mentor? So I would congratulate Rachit right away. I would be sending him a message and saying, excellent job done. Final note, a bit contrary to what George just said, I would recommend not to wait for a year before giving your Project One, and it's fantastic to see you starting off so early and eager to see your Project Two. Over to you.